Now we've got a sack dress here. What have we got happening at the sides of that dress?
It's just very plain.
Yeah. Let's try something quite unusual. Take this appendage from the sleeve,
Yep.
check what happens if we draw it across the chest. There's some potential there to do something interesting if you had the other side and it was longer.
Yeah.
Is and that looks great, Nick. Just where you've got your hands, that's your intuition telling you
Yeah.
to just fit it, even with the appendage, because what the appendage of the sleeve is doing is actually highlighting the waist because it's creating the space between the waist. It's giving a frame, so it highlights the waistline. It's actually really clever what the appendage is doing there. It's not me, I just saw it. That little piece of fabric. So the appendage gives the body, the waist, a frame. So you start to see the waist more emphasis on the waist because you see the negative space, right? But then because the appendage hits the hip, it creates balance between the hip and the shoulder. And I think that's the winning design out of everything we just tried on. If we were going to move a design forward, that's the one I would say we move forward. And then the skill of the dressmaker has to be, how do I take hands on hips and turn it into a real dress?
Yeah.
What are the darts? What are the pleats? What's the dressmaking? And how do we make that appendage look not like a scrap of fabric, but a very beautiful bellow?